Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's good kitchen. So this that good fish Friday. My stepdaughter, boyfriend went fishing, and that's what he brought back. Some good trout. So we go ahead and clean these bad boys, and we go have some fresh trout. Let's make it happen. All right, so here we go right here. Nice and clean. Now we go ahead and season it up and stuff it. Some vinegar. Looks like it don't want to come out. Inside. This seasoning, this vinegar seasoning, is pretty good. I thought it was gonna be, I thought it was gonna be bad. Well, too strong. So, a little bit of vinegar go a long ways. Beef chef seasoning. So it came out pretty good. Lemon pepper seasoning. So me, I don't eat trout. I tried it fried and I didn't like it. So my wife is the trout eater. She loves cod, trout, yes. So I'm gonna take a couple bites of it. A couple other little trouts. I cleaned them and just put them in the freezer for another day. I will add some vegetable oil. I run out of extra virgin olive oil. A little bit inside. Stir that crispy. Grab our orange. We have onions, bell peppers, green onions, all that good stuff. We have garlic. couple pieces of garlic in between the little cracks. We also have our lemons. The orange is optional. You can leave that out if you don't want to add your orange. But it's a nice flavor. It's not going to be sweet or nothing like that. Everything will come together like it's supposed to. We'll add some more garlic. Put it in the insides, like so. All this gonna stick because we're gonna wrap it. So we good. Put a couple lemons in the inside also. All that is gonna come together. One nice flavor. Now, let's like so. Some red onions, red bell pepper. Add some butter. And there we go. That's all I add right there. Now you just want to hold it. Really tight. I'm going in the oven, preheat to 400. I'm gonna add some more, nah, I don't need no more. This cool right here. Cause we want a little bit of steam to get in there. Well, some heat, anyway. Matter of fact, we're gonna put another aluminum foil over it so that can close. So that's how we looking right there. I see y'all when it's good. Fish is done. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. Looking good, looking good. I want to show this part right here before I put it on the plate. I want to try to get this whole thing on the plate. That's going to be kind of hard because you know it's going to start breaking apart. So before I move it, that's how we looking. 45 minutes. $35 minutes. Covered up. rest uncovered. The skin came off real easy. So we're about to get this good food on a nice plate. So we close this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again in this good kitchen. Look at it. Looking good, for real. I tasted a little tiny piece of it, and it tasted good. The seasoning is on point. The juice is nice. So everything came together like it's supposed to. You know, I had to add the shrimps. I had to, with the garlic, you know, a little bit of broccoli, some rice. Just mix everything with that juice. And it's going crazy, for real. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Fish Friday.